You know son bueno.
Oh my gosh.
Feeling stuff though, feeling stuff for sure. I mean, it's supposed to go. That's stupid. That's stupid. You never do that. What's happening, car nuts? Today we have a very special treat. Our buddy Nick and Blaine brought in their 1988 Foxbody. You already know the deal. It's a 5.0 T-top. It is a manual car and got a bunch of boost gauges and stuff because it has a little party trick for us. It's got go fast parts, but Blaine did something to it, or maybe it was Nick. Sounds horrible, kind of sounds like an exhaust leak. We're gonna diagnose it today, which is a blessing because we kind of get to play around with this awesome bad boy here. We're gonna start her up. We're gonna try to figure out what we can as far as why it's not making boost. Not making boost now, makes some ugly noises. Doesn't sound internal to me when he started it just now. You're gonna come back around here too. It does sound like crack. Maybe there is something internal with it. We're gonna fix that real quick first. Yeah, it definitely makes ugly noises.
Ever since I've had this problem, instead of idling down, it'll idle, it won't stop going down, and it'll just kill it.
Ah, don't sound good. Do we use a rod? We put it to wherever you want. It's kind of acts like a doctor checking your heart. I'd say the word, but I can't say it.
Stethoscope.
Yeah, that thing. You just put it up to your ear, and you can literally hear it. You just cup your ear with it, get a good seal in your hand with it, and it'll literally help you pinpoint kind of stuff. Helps a lot with like pulleys and stuff. I don't know, man. I think we gotta pull your intake at least to find out what the oil sensor is on here. Find out if that's faulty or not. Because it sounds pretty nasty. It doesn't seem like it's coming from any of your stuff here. There's just so much, like I can't get close enough to anything to really kind of get to where it's at, but it's clack, 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 clack. Y no son bueno. We're gonna check the oil turbo feed. This may be a stupid idea because I just want to see if he's getting pressure. So we're gonna turn on the car. And if oil shoots out of this thing profusely, then we have oil pressure and we have a bad oil pressure sensor. Don't have oil pressure, then obviously we got a major problem. Restart the car. I'll tell you to shut it off or not. I think we have a problem, boys and girls. Yeah, buddy. That ain't good. Definitely ain't good. I bet if we drop that pan, there's gonna be some dirtiness in it. So anybody that knows that your turbo typically gets oil from your engine. And there ain't no oil coming from the choo-choo, going to the choo-choo. So that's a problem, bro. I'm pretty sure if you're not getting oil pressure, as soon as we take a valve cover off, we're gonna see some stuff. We may have to take one of the lifters out and check it. It's gonna rear its ugly head pretty quick.
Yeah.
So, if it is that. But I'm pretty sure it is. I mean,
It's a pretty telltale sign.
Yeah. Yeah. Got kind of the AC hoses here disconnected, which weren't a big deal because it was already leaking. We're going to take off some of the front top of this motor, pull the distributor, and then we're going to take off the top half of this intake. Tried to just take the oil filter out, but you know, whoever put it on there didn't like put oil on the O-ring around it. So that doesn't want to come out. So we'll just start taking off the top here. I want to see kind of into the middle of the engine. For all intents and purposes, the motor's probably junk. So really not going to probably put anything back together. So we're just going to start ripping into it and just start taking stuff apart. We found something interesting again. This here is a whirlybird, also known as a turbo Wuhan hair dryer. Isn't it working, bro? Like, you can't even get it to turn. I mean, they're supposed to go bzzz. Kind of sounds just like that too. Yeah. That is that's no bueno. That is no bueno. Pull the push rod, see if we got any bent ones. We'll weld them on the ground here in a minute. Doesn't look like anything so far. Feeling stuff though, feeling stuff for sure. Nice and straight. Straight. All right. Yep. Let's look at it.
And it ain't spin.
Try to spin it. Try to spin the other end.
Nothing.
That's a problem. Pull these lifters real quick.
No bueno.
Pretty. I mean, there's some that have like a little thing, but that's the old motor, so. Got a little bit of doodads, little lines in it, you can see. It's pretty. No problems. Nothing. Maybe it's on the other side. Who knows? Very strange. What's up, car nuts? Day 2 on the Fox turbo builds. This thing has got a lot of issues. For instance, we didn't have oil pressure. Here's our handy dandy turbo. Turbos aren't supposed to do that. Plus the nut was like basically not even tight. And then it doesn't even kind of spin. Like you can't spin that thing like at all. So it's fried. We don't know if that's necessarily like the worst of it. We didn't have oil pressure going to the turbo when we pulled the line, started it. We don't know if it just wasn't building pressure, what have you. We haven't found the culprit of like anything catastrophic in the engine yet, but we are pretty sure the bearings, the bearings are going to be shot on the rods in the crank. So we still have our other side. Jose's here today, so that's awesome. Just gonna get this stuff off here. We got our downpipe. We got to get out of here, and then we're gonna try to get this head off, which are iron heads, so they're horribly heavy. It's a lot. Jose can probably knock it out though, pull them out of there. But it's super heavy. We'll get that out of there. We'll see if there's anything wrong on this bank, on this side. And then we'll probably just put wheels on it, roll it, throw it back over to the back spot, and try to figure out what the next step is with it.
Ooh, gasket maker.
No gasket on a turbo header.
No gasket, right?
They wrapped them.
Yeah, they
wrapped them.
They did a good job, but
They had no gasket for the turbo header. Let's see.
maybe it's there. Maybe I'm wrong.
No, it's not there.
It's not there, right?
Huh. Look at that. Gobbledygook.
That thing was losing.
Do not do this.
Could have blown out the head gasket, to be honest.
That's stupid. That's stupid. You never do that.
Yeah.
You never put RTV instead of a...
Nah, because you're gonna blow the head gasket, and then that's how you're gonna get water in
It's, what, 10 bucks?
Yeah,
15
10
bucks?
cheap.
Cheapy. How's the valve? What's up with this valve? Same on the SF?
Yeah.
Right?
Is it not getting fuel? Burning?
I don't know. That's another thing. But it's on the same spot of the other head.
It looks healthy though.
Yeah.
Definitely makes me healthy.
Looks fine.
It looks, I mean,
They didn't use a multi-layer gasket, which is weird.
cheap
They just used cheap gaskets, which maybe that's what came on those cars. Looks good.
This one looks good. Almost scratch up.
Pistons look fine. I would venture to say there's no wobble with it. The rings are probably still solid, but the bearings is where we're gonna find the issue.
Let's see if they scratch up.
Yeah, bearings are gonna be all doo-dooed out. So let's pull this down pipe. Get this out of here. Let's get the wheels back on it, push it over there.
All right.
Maybe we'll turn it a couple times to get the coolant out of it more. And let's park it and find out what they want to do with it.
Okay, cool.
My vote is coyote swap, get rid of the turbo system, and
Definitely on motor. But
get rid of all this
Yeah.
jibber jabber here. Nice clean coyote swap with an AC.
Yeah, with the.
Yeah.
For this car?
500 horsepower. It'd be just as fast. Probably faster.
Yeah.
Probably
Definitely.
faster.
More perky.
Yeah. So, okay. All right, car nuts, that's going to be it for today. We got everything kind of wrapped up. Took us 2 days to kind of get this thing kind of figured out. We still don't know if the bearings and the rods are bad or not, but it's kind of time to reassess the whole kind of setup. We'll talk to the owner. We'll figure out which route he wants to go. Main thing is, this can be amazing. This can be awesome. It was already kind of a cool car before, but I think we can do some really cool, neat stuff with that. So, T-top, 1988 50 GT. Probably needs a victory red instead of this old, nasty, I think it's a scarlet red or something like that. This will be its new home for a while. I think ultimately, expect to see like a lot more of this car in the future. Got some other builds we're going to put before it, but tune in. We'll keep you updated on it. And like, subscribe, do all that good stuff. God bless. Take care. Love you.